How to use Descale-It. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Descale-It. Descale-It removes scale rings, crust, and films from the glazed tile, metal, acrylic, and fiberglass surfaces common to swimming pools and spas. This biodegradable cleaner works without harmful fumes, harsh mineral acids, and without affecting the pH of the water when used as directed. By eliminating the need for abrasives, Descale-It Pool and Spa Cleaner preserves the beauty and integrity of pool tiles, acrylic spas, and fixtures. It also keeps pumps and louvers clean and shiny, extending their normal useful life. Routine usage directions. 1. Scrape off the big stuff first. 2. Spray directly on pool scale and efflorescence to remove it. 3. Apply Descale-It Pool and Spa Cleaner and allow to work 30 to 45 minutes, then brush and rinse. Repeat application, if necessary. Please note, do not use on unglazed tile, wood, concrete, or natural marble. Not recommended for use on colored grouts, unless properly sealed. Additional information. This powerful natural solvent dissolves calcium scale of all types. It's safe to use with all pool types, and it's also great for spas, sinks, tubs, and showers. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.